Hello, everyone. I'm Nika, and today we're beginning our journey into neural networks. This is the first lesson in a short course about neural networks. In this video, you'll learn what neural networks are, why we need them, what problems they can solve, and why they've become so popular. Neural networks are often seen as something very smart and complex, capable of solving a wide range of tasks. A neural network, more specifically an artificial neural network, is a software implementation of a mathematical model inspired by biological neural networks. Essentially, it's a simplified imitation of how the human brain works. The goal of a neural network is to extract useful patterns from data and learn from them. A neural network can be trained to identify whether an image shows a digit from 0 to 9. Structurally, neural networks consist of input layers, hidden or internal layers, and output layers. The input layer receives the data, for instance, the pixel values of an image. The hidden layers are responsible for learning and performing internal transformations. The output layer provides the final result, such as labeling the image as digit. Each layer is made up of artificial neurons, which are interconnected. These connections, known as weights, are strengthened or weakened during training, just like how learning happens in the brain. A single artificial neuron mimics a biological neuron. It receives multiple input signals, multiplies them by weights, sums them up, and then passes the result through an activation function. If the total signal exceeds a certain threshold, it gets transmitted to the next neuron. This is how information flows through the network. As training progresses, the network fine-tunes these weights and activation thresholds to improve its performance. Neural networks can be used in many areas. One common application is image classification, such as recognizing whether a picture shows a cat or a dog. They are also used to analyze customer behavior in stores, recognize faces, segment cells in medical images, and even generate realistic building facades or landscapes. Neural networks can generate beautiful images from sketches, create text-to-image illustrations, and assist in creative tasks. They are used in voice recognition systems like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, and can also synthesize realistic human speech. They play a key role in language translation and many other tasks. So, why are neural networks so popular right now? There are several reasons. First, we now have access to enormous amounts of data, which neural networks need in order to learn effectively. This data can come from various sources, sometimes even unknowingly, like when users label images for CAPTCHA systems. Second, powerful computing resources like GPUs are more available than ever, and there are even free cloud platforms where you can train models. Finally, neural networks can automatically extract relevant features from data, which is a huge advantage over traditional machine learning algorithms that rely heavily on manual feature engineering. This allows developers to focus more on experimenting with architectures and less on designing features. In summary, in this lesson, you've learned what neural networks are, what they are used for, and why they've become so popular. And I wish you the best of luck in your journey into machine learning and artificial intelligence. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like this formatted for a script, blog post, or presentation,